Hi guys, namaste. Our today's topic is what is after the wait, what is next in love. Okay, please remember this will be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. This is not a private reading. You can book a private reading with me. Check the description box below, or else you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Link I have mentioned in the description box below. And you can suggest me some pick a card topics if you wish to watch, like if you wish to suggest, and I'll go for it. Other than that, uh, like, share, subscribe, comment down below and let me know this reading, how you find this reading. I mean, whenever you watch this video, you can just let me know, comment down below. And also let me know that you want to see more short videos or long videos, so I get an idea. So we have two options in front of us. Option number one is this I don't know what's this. Yeah, option number one is this, a small torch. A small torch. Option number two is this fish. I think it's fish. Is it a plane or fish? I don't know. Fish. Small torch. So option number two. After the wait, what is next in love? Option one, option two. We will start with this option. Those who have chose this option, let's see. We will keep this aside. No, we'll keep it over here only. Let's see. So wow, Two of Cups, Ace of Cups, wow, the Empress, Three of Wands, wow, my God, the Sun, the Tower, the Lovers, oh, okay, the World, the High Priestess, oh my God, Three of Cups, and this is Seven of Cups. Yeah, I hope I am not wrong. These are new cards. Okay, so let's see. We will grab the energies. Okay, so I hope you can see all the cards. I hope you can see all the cards in my camera. Okay, so yeah. So something has ended with this Tower moment and with this World card. A very bad ending and very bad chapter of your life has been ended. Okay, you had a breakup or a separation or divorce or something like that, so one karmic cycle has been completed, which was very heavy. It was a Tower moment. It was sudden. It was shocking. It was very bad. That tower, sorry, that's my cat. So that Tower moment has been ended and one karmic cycle has been completed. Okay, we have received Ace of Cups, Ace of Cups, Two of Cups and Three of Cups. So new partner is coming, new love is coming, new beginning is coming. And I'll tell you, also for some of you, past and new person both are coming. Okay, I'm sorry, that's my cat. Sorry. So let me tell you, past and new person both are coming into your life. Okay, with this Ace of Cups and Two of Cups and Three of Cups. So it will be your, I would say, spiritual connection or a soulmate connection. Sorry, my cat is disturbing me in the background, so sorry for that. And the Lovers card we have received. So you will have two choices. You will have two choices in love. You will have the past person with whom you had a Tower moment. You had a completion, you had ending, you had breakup, you had separation. and new person is also coming. Okay, so you will have two options. The choice will be yours. You need to decide. You will be deciding. Okay, you will have two choices, whether you want to go with past person or whether you want to go with new person. And I'm telling you, with the past person also loves you, and new person also will be loving you so much. Equal give and take will be there. If this relationship, if this is going to be start with the past person, then I can assure you that they will apologize to you, and you know, they will be changed, and you know, the same amount of love they will give you, they will also invest in you like the way you did. And same goes for new person. So one cup, two, ace of cups, two of cups, three of cups. So new love is coming for you. Also for some of you, your new partner will be your friend first, or you know them. This pile I'm getting more of. So for most of you, you know this person, whether this is your past person or whether this person, another new person, is your friend, or they'll become your friend, and then you'll date, and then you'll, you know, get married. Because I am also getting the marriage vibe, commitment vibe in this, with this sun card. Yes, you had a lot of you know, struggle in your life, whether in a relationship, whether in a friendship, whether in life generally. You guys are becoming an empress. I can say that I can see that, you know, you guys are like on around 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So round about your age is 30. So basically you are in your 30s, or you are about to become an empress, and you'll be completing 30 years. So your age will be 30. So round about 30 age you have. Whatever the even if you don't have 30 years age, I can see you have the empress quality, and you are going to become an empress. That is what I am feeling. So yeah, that is what I am feeling. What else? So a lot of datings, a lot of outing, a lot of you know, those sort of vibes. Dinners and outing and dates are coming. If you want commitment is coming. And before that, you'll go on a date. You'll you know, you will go on date. You will guys you know, what's that word, you'll know each other. You might be a friend. Your friend is like, you are going your one of your friend is going to be your lover, or the new person who is coming, they are your friends. They will become your friends first, and after that I think after that they will be dating you, and you'll guys get committed. I feel like whoever coming in your life, whether you go for a past person, I'm telling you, past and new person both are coming. So whether you go for past person or new person, that is up to you. That choice will be given to you with this High Priestess card. And you know that somebody is coming in love situation, love matter, you know that. And that person, I will tell you, is the final one. Okay, this will be your long-term partner. He is going to be your husband. He or she is going to be your husband, your final partner. You know, whatever you had in past, a lot of tower moment with your past person, or with a lot of with your exes. But I can see with this High Priestess and the Ace of Cups, past person is coming, new person is coming, and that will be your final person. You will get married with that person, and you know, long-term relationship will be there. So this is what I feel next for you. And also with this three of wands, if your past person has rejected you in past, and they were confused, and they were not taking any decision in regards to you, then I can feel, you know, with this Three of Wands card, they will be like, you know, deciding in upcoming months, upcoming 3 months, or for some of you maximum 7 months, they will be come back to you if you are in separation. Or others of you, they have already decided, but they will take time, around about 1 month, 2 months. For some of you, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or 7 months, they will take round about this much time, and they will be contacting you. They will say that they love you, they want to marry you, and you will guys get married, and you will have a child with them. That is what I am feeling. Most of you will go with past person, and for some of you will go with new person. But most of you, past person is coming, he'll say sorry, she'll say sorry, or they will apologize to you, and they will be completely changed person. They have decided, if in past they were not deciding, and they know that you are a tarot reader. For some of you, you are a tarot reader, spiritual person, or either your person is a tarot reader or a spiritual person, or either you have a cat or your person have a cat, or one of you will have a pet together, a dog, cat, depends on you. So those sort of vibe I am getting completely. Though I have not received any 10 of cups or 10 of pentacles card, but I am getting the complete family vibe with this high priestess, lover, 2 of cups, with this ace of cups, the empress, the sun card. I'm getting completely family vibe. So yes, you are going to have family with this with your person. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you. Wow, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And I'm damn sure you guys have a cat or pet or dog together, if you don't have already. But some of you or your partner have already a cat or dog or a pet. And with this high priestess card, I am feeling that you are a tarot reader, or you are a spiritual person, or psychic medium, clairvoyant, or some sort of those psychic abilities you have. If you are not a spiritual person or a tarot reader, then I am telling you, you have the strong intuition. You can become a tarot reader, psychic medium, and you will be awakening. Those sort of vibes I am getting. Spiritual awakening you will have if you are not already spiritually awakened. And you will have 2 choices. I am telling you, for sure you will have 2 choices with this lovers card. In love, past person and new person, you will have 2 choices, and you are going to decide, okay, with whom you are going to be. And for some of you, if you don't have any real friends, new friends are also coming. Real friends, loyal friends, new friends are like your soulmates are coming. Your what's that word, your soul tribe is coming for some of you. That is also what I am feeling. Wow, wonderful reading. Wow, in starting I got little bit disturbed because my cat was here and there, but after this reading, wow, like lot of messages are coming. You are going to have a lot of options and choices in love as well as in life. And for some of you, if you are a tarot reader or a psychic medium, and or either you are doing something online or on social media, or you have your own business or job, whatever you are doing, you are going to get successful in that job, in that business, or in that area. Okay, that is what also I am feeling. So not only love, after the wait, you have waited not only in love area, but you have waited in career matter, in personal matter, in professional matter. So in lot of areas you of your life, you have waited, and now you are going to have the fruits. So definitely your wait is going to give you fruits, good fruits of your patience. That is what I am feeling. The Empress card, so you are very motherly. Even if you are male watching this video, you are very motherly, loving, caring. Those sort of vibes I am getting from you. Okay, so yeah, what else I should say? You are an empress. You are loving, caring, motherly. You are going to have success in your life. You are going to have 2 options in your love life. Specifically, after you have waited long in every area of your life, after the wait, you are going to have a lot of love, lot of success, name, fame, money, and 2 choices in love. And that person will love you equally, and there will be an equal give and take, mutual understanding in love matter, whether you go for new option or past person. So you will have 2 choices definitely. For some of you, you will have more than 2 choices. Okay, that is also what I am feeling. So this is what is coming next for you in love after the wait. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you liked it, guys, and please remember, this was a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Thank you so much, guys, and like, share, subscribe, and comment down below, and I hope you liked it. If I was getting disturbed in this pile, then I'm saying really, then I'm really very sorry. But this is very positive pile. So thank you so much. After the lot of disturbance in your life, you are going to sun is going to shine on you. You are going to shine like a sun. So that is what I am feeling. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. Hope to see you in my next video. Okay, so those of you who have chose this second option, blue shark or aeroplane, I don't know what is this, but it looks like shark. So yeah, this is the torch, basically small torch. So blue option. Let's see after the wait what is coming next in love for you. So Queen of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, oh, Knight of Pentacles, oh, lot of Pentacles vibe I am getting. The Hierophant, okay. Oh, Six of Swords, okay. King of Cups, okay. I hope you can see all the cards. Queen of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, woo. My god, let's see. The biggest card which we have received is Wheel of Fortune. Let me keep it over here. I hope you can see all the cards, guys. Some of you I can see you are already married watching this pile, and your marriage life is not so happening. Like you are not happy in your marriage life because it was an arranged marriage or loveless marriage or some sort of casteism or society, and some sort of strict rules you are following, and that's why you got married. So those sort of vibes I am getting. Also, you are very materialistic, or someone in your life or family is very materialistic and very 3D based and worldly mentality. Believes in caste, culture, religion, and only they are above all or above everyone. Those sort of vibes I'm getting from this pile. Either you are like that or your family is like that, and you have got married, but you belong to a wealthy background, but that wealth is not I don't think that wealth is giving you happiness. Because if you are being forced to get married, or you have got married due to some materialistic reason, money reason, or some caste reason, then you are not happy in your marriage. Okay, those sort of vibe I am getting from this. But let me tell you, whatever the reason was, whether you were forced into a marriage by your parents or by your family or by your society, or whether you were materialistic and you are not happy right now, currently you are not happy in your marriage, then I'm telling you, with this Wheel of Fortune card, love is coming in your life. Something is going to change suddenly, 360-degree your life will be changed completely. Something is going to change suddenly. It will surprise you. Okay, it will make you happy. Okay, that is also what I am feeling with this card as well. You will be moving towards calmer water. If your life is filled with chaos, family life, and is very chaotic, very much confused, and conflicts are going on in your life within your family members, and you are not happy, with this Six of Swords, I'm telling you, you are going to move towards calmer water. Okay, for some of you are air sign, Aries, sorry, I've said Aries. So yeah, some of you might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, because fire energy also I am getting from this. So Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, either you or your person. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This sort of almost every sign is there, but more vibe I'm getting of Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, and Aquarius. Yeah. So for some of you have got married in arranged marriage system. Now you are not happy, but now you are contemplating, introspecting a lot. You are coming into a spirituality. you are very slow in taking action, or your person is very slow in taking action. Okay, please take this reading according to your situation. Okay, this can be a vice versa all energy as well. I mean to say, if you are dealing with someone, so that person's energy I am grabbing. Okay, so don't get offended and get triggered. Okay, because sometimes people get triggered in readings, but until and unless you are not getting triggered, you will not heal yourself. Okay, and nobody is healed completely. Not everyone's, all the chakras are healed. Like lot of, most of you, your all chakras are not healed. All the 7 chakras are not healed, most of you. Okay, so yeah, not even a single chakra is healed. So most of the times I have seen this in my private readings as well as in my life, what I see. So there, like not even a single chakra is healed. Okay, so those sort of vibe I'm getting. And for some of you, your heart chakra is blocked, definitely, because you are, very materialistic, or you are bound by some sort of rules and materialism and caste culture, society. That is why your heart chakra is blocked. But in that, below, in the deep of your what's that word, I hope I am saying it correctly. From bottom of your heart, from depth of your hearts, you have a lot of love. Your soul has a lot to give, but society or materialism or some sort of money, wealth has made you blocked your heart chakra, definitely. So you might not agree with me, but this is what I am seeing in my cards. But whatever your situation is, whether your heart chakra is blocked, that is why you have chose arranged marriage, or you have chose materialism and money over love, or either your parents or family has forced you because of caste culture. Whatever the reason is, your life is going to change. Right, currently you are not happy and you are waiting. I can see with this Queen of Swords, you are waiting. You have been waiting since long time. That is also what I am feeling. But you didn't take any action, and you are not taking action. That is also what I am feeling with this Knight of Pentacles cards. You don't take action, or else you are very slow in taking action. You take so much time. In past also you didn't take action. Right now also you are not taking action. Even if you are taking action, it is very slow. So you are waiting for the things to happen automatically, but you don't want to work hard for it, or you don't want to come out of your comfort zone, or else you are very slow. So this can be for some of you. So you have missed the opportunity in love in past. That is what I am feeling for some of you. And if it was not the reason, then you love someone, you have a lot of love to give to someone, but you are like waiting for that person, and that person is not coming. Then I am telling you, with this Wheel of Fortune card, love is going to come in your life, definitely. It might take some time, or it is very slow. You feel like things are very slow, things are getting delay. You might feel like that love is not coming in my life. I am waiting since ages. After the wait, what is next in love for me? I am telling you, love is coming for you. Love is coming for you. I am not going to tell you the time. Why? Because of the Wheel of Fortune card, because it's like perfect timing, divine timing. And I will not be able to tell you the exact time, because everything will be planned by divine or God. Everything will be planned by divine God, and you will not understand. It will happen like surprisingly, suddenly. Your love life will be changed. To say, your like whatever routine you are going through, that will be changed into love, romance, a lot of excitement, thrill, happiness. Filled with happiness your life will be. That is also I am feeling. So after the wait, Wheel of Fortune card is coming. I don't think you going to take action. Even if you'll take action to get this love, to find this love, it will be very slow. So divine is going to interfere, and divine is going to do something. And with this Wheel of Fortune card, love is coming in your life. Love is going to enter in your life. You might find it very slow, but it is coming. If someone was in your life who was not expressive, this can be you as well. Okay, if someone was in your life who was not expressive, or their throat chakra or heart chakra was blocked, if they were Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces sign, and they were very slow, and you were waiting, or you were they have did something wrong to you, they got married to someone else, and now you are in defensive mode, then I'm telling you that person is coming, that past person is coming. Maybe they are slow, or they are married or engaged to someone else because of any other reason, society, caste, culture, money, status reason, but they are missing you, and they are not happy in their life, in their marriage life, and they are coming for you. And with this Wheel of Fortune card, if your person don't take action, or then universe make them do it. Okay, universe will do something, or divine will do something, and it will happen on right time, on divine timing. But very soon, I can say that very soon, okay, it is going to happen. So love is coming in your life after the wait, after the long time. Love is coming in your life, but you also need to take action. If you have not taken any action till now, if you have already taken action and your person was too slow, then they will take action, and divine will make them do it. Okay, so this can be vice versa, take according to your situation. So yeah, this is what I am feeling. Love is coming, guys. For some of you, if you are happily married, and you want child, then I can see you want your children's love, you want your own child. I can see there are chances a child will there are chances of a child, you will have a child, one child definitely, if you are waiting for a child. Okay, if you are planning for a child, that is what I am feeling for some of you. Someone's energy I am feeling, because I can see a lot of married people have chosen this pile. Either you are in unhappy marriage, or you are happily married but you don't have child, you are craving for child's love. So child is going to come in your life, definitely. Those sort of vibe I am getting. And if you are unmarried and you want someone, then love is coming. If you are married and you are unhappy, then also love is coming. So yeah, love is coming basically in your life, and love will bring money as well. Not only love but money also, but it will take time. But after this Wheel of Fortune card, I can say I can give you roundabout time after 6 weeks. From now on you have to count 6 weeks. So those after 6 weeks you can see some result or news, or you'll get some news or idea that what is going to happen in your life, or what is going on in your life, or when you'll have love. So those sort of news, or good news, or good news you will receive. That is what I am feeling regarding love. So after the wait, yes, love is coming in your life. After the wait, what is next in your love life? What is next in love? Then love is coming, life is going to change 360-degree, happiness is coming, new romance, spark, happiness is coming. Okay, and your heart chakra will be healed. That is also what I am feeling. For some of you are already spending time near greenery or trees or something near nature. If not, then a lot of greenery and trees are around you, around your house or around your work area. Then you should spend some time near nature, in the nature. Okay, for some of you I can see you already spend time in nature. Then I can tell you your heart chakra will be healed. If not, then you should spend some time in nature, greenery. After that your heart chakra will be healed. That is what I'm feeling for pile 2. So this is what is coming. This is what I feel for you, pile 2. I hope I haven't confused you. Please forgive me if I have done if you have found any background noises or disturbance, or if I have done any silly mistake in while speaking, then please forgive me. Our channel is upgrading day by day, so thank you so much. I want your love, support, and those who have subscribed, like and shared and commented, I want to say thank you so much, guys, to all of you for your love, support. And please remember, this was a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. You can book a private reading for that, and my details are in the description box below, or else you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot, and let me know you want to see short videos, long videos, and do you like my theme or not. And also let me know that uh, like if you want to join in Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot, then link in the description box below. And comment down below from which country you are watching, which city, which area you are watching. And also let me know in comment that if you want to suggest any topics, I will do pick a card on those topics. So yeah, I hope I haven't confused you. You can also check out other readings I have posted on my channel. You can check that out. Short video, long videos I have posted on different topics. And hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye guys, love you all.